Sound level meters are essential for measuring noise, ensuring compliance with safety regulations, protecting hearing, monitoring environments, and assessing sound quality in workplaces and public spaces. My today's video is about top 5 best sound level meters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Toptes Decibel Meter. The Toptes TS-501B Decibel Meter is a precise and versatile tool for monitoring sound levels in various environments, from home theaters and audio systems to offices, schools, and factories. Equipped with a high-quality condenser microphone, it accurately measures noise from 30 to 130 dB with plus or minus 1.5 dB accuracy and a frequency range of 30 to 8,000 Hz. C weighting options allow tailored measurements for different applications, ensuring reliable results. Its 2.25-inch LCD screen, complete with backlight, makes readings easy to see even in low-light conditions. The max/min function captures peak and low sound levels, while the data hold feature freezes readings for detailed analysis. Designed for ease of use, the TS-501B features a non-slip grip, battery operation with 3 included AAA batteries, low battery indicator, and automatic power off to save energy. Factory calibrated for precision, this portable decibel meter comes with a carry case and manual, offering professional-grade performance for both personal and professional use. Now our second product is Tadeto Digital Sound Level Meter. The Tadeto Sound Level Meter is a reliable and precise tool for measuring noise across a wide range of environments. With a measuring range of 30 dB to 130 dB and plus or minus 2.0 dB accuracy, it provides real-time data for accurate sound assessment. Its A and C weighting options allow tailored measurements. A weighting suits low-intensity, human ear-perceived sounds, while C weighting is ideal for analyzing high-intensity machine or motor noise. The meter features fast and slow response settings, using 0.125s and 1s time constants respectively, making it versatile for both steady and fluctuating noise environments. A 4-digit backlit LCD display with 0.1 dB resolution ensures clear readings even in low-light conditions, and a low battery icon keeps you informed when power replacement is needed. Lightweight and portable, the Tadeto meter is perfect for factories, offices, homes, car interiors, schools, and construction sites. Its combination of accuracy, versatility, and ease of use makes it an essential tool for professional and personal sound monitoring. Our third product is Durficst Sound Level Meter. The decibel meter with high-precision sensor is a professional and versatile tool for monitoring sound in a variety of environments. With a measurement range of 30 to 130 dB, plus or minus 1.5 dB accuracy, and 0.1 dB resolution, it delivers reliable and precise data. Its condenser microphone covers frequencies from 31.5 Hz to 8 kHz, making it ideal for both home and work environment monitoring. The meter offers A and C weighting modes, with A-weighted measurements suitable for low-intensity human ear noise and C-weighted measurements designed for high-intensity mechanical or industrial noise. It also features dual dB/zone units, allowing users to measure both noise intensity and perceived loudness for various applications, including offices, factories, classrooms, and music performance environments. Fast, 0.125s, and slow, 1s, response modes handle fluctuating and steady noise accurately. Additional features like max/min recording, data hold, a color LCD screen, windbreak ball, carrying case, and ergonomic design make this meter portable, durable, and easy to use outdoors. It's a complete solution for precise, professional sound monitoring. Now number 4, Xrclif Decibel Meter. The Sound dB meter is a precise and user-friendly tool for monitoring noise in a variety of settings. Factory calibrated, it measures sound from 30 to 130 dBA with plus or minus 1.5 dB accuracy and 0.1 dB resolution, ensuring reliable results. Its automatic off function can be disabled for continuous measurement, making it ideal for long-term noise monitoring. Featuring a large backlit LCD display, the meter offers maximum/minimum noise tracking, data hold, and battery indication for convenience. These features make it perfect for addressing neighbor noise complaints, job site monitoring, and environmental noise assessments. Designed for portability, this compact meter fits comfortably in one hand and is easy to carry. The kit includes 3 AAA batteries, a windproof sponge ball, and a user manual, allowing immediate use right out of the box. With its combination of accuracy, portability, and practical features, the Sound dB meter is a reliable choice for both personal and professional sound measurement. And our last choice is Mastfuyi Decibel Meter. The Mastfuyi Decibel Meter is a compact, highly accurate tool designed for professional and personal sound monitoring. Weighing only 1.76 ounces with a pen-style design and non-slip sides, it is easy to hold, carry, and securely clip to a pocket or notebook. Factory calibrated, it measures noise levels from 30 to 130 dB with plus or minus 1.5 dB accuracy and a frequency range of 31.5 Hz to 8 kHz, making it ideal for environments such as communities, home theaters, audio systems, automobiles, workshops, schools, offices, and factories. Equipped with fast and slow response modes, it captures transient noise or averages continuous sound efficiently. The max lock function records peak measurements, while the low battery indicator ensures uninterrupted monitoring. A weighting simulates human ear perception for precise environmental noise detection, and the visual sound indicator alerts when noise exceeds 60 dB. With a straightforward calibration process and a 48-month warranty, this portable decibel meter combines reliability, ease of use, and professional-grade performance for versatile noise measurement applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.